It looks like sulfuric or something like that. It's yellow. It's yellow, and it is at the base of the volcano. So I think they have something to do with that. But if I understand this correctly, this is actually like a place that you need to pay to get here. Ah, nice. Wait, let me show you guys because I'm just saying things. That's the bath, and it's like 45, something like 45 or 50 degrees. And this is the yellow mountain that I was talking about, and the volcano is that way.